say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Alright, I just got my stuff set up, so I'm gonna ride.
We just bought the color match paint, spray paint, and we're gonna paint my freaking stanchion blue.
Okay.
Attach it to the cart.
Sweet, bro.
Yes, sir.
Chat, we are at the new spot. So we're about to shred this parking lot, have some fun. With you, hello. Hey Carter, music off. What's up?
I said, do you want me to turn around? I can get a video of you, like me chasing you.
Oh, like through there? Yeah, you want to video me like out your window?
Yeah.
Sure. You wanna chase me? What's up?
I said it's nice.
Oh, thank you, dude. Yeah, it's called a crazy cart. They're like modded out drift carts.
I know exactly what they are. There's a guy that, I thought you were the guy that lives in my neighborhood. There's somebody that lives in my neighborhood that has one. It's red. I couldn't really tell.
Oh, okay.
But it's red, and he goes around my neighborhood crazy, and I see him out on the main roads, and I'm like, what the?
That's cool. You know what they are. They usually have to do this whole thing to explain what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got a YouTube?
I do. I have a YouTube and Instagram, and I'm starting a Facebook next month.
Let me grab. What can I grab you on?
What do you prefer? YouTube, Instagram?
We'll do Instagram.
Okay.
It's a little bit easier.
You're okay being on camera, and
Yeah.
I'm filming right now, right? You're good?
I'm good.
Okay, perfect. What's your?
Good with being on camera? I don't think he can really see it.
Oh, I didn't even know he was there.
This is my wife.
Oh, sorry. I have like a tinted like goggles on.
I'm surprised. Like
I don't have a clear like visor.
No.
And like I can't flip it up like the moto helmets, so it's just like wear it or don't wear it. I don't know.
And if you don't wear it, it's when you get bugs in your eyes.
Yeah, or your eyelashes just fly up.
So
that's
I have
annoying.
A helmet that the.
That's me.
Oh hell yeah! Oh, shit. Okay, you actually got a decent follower.
Yeah. I've been riding these things for a long time, and then like 2 years ago, I was like, I want to make content.
And it wasn't. You get a lot of people that break their necks.
That break their necks?
Yeah, that lady was just wham.
Oh yeah, metaphorically, yes.
You're sitting there.
Yes, rubbernecking, yeah.
So what was your name?
Colin.
Colin, nice to meet you. I'm Wyatt.
Wyatt, nice to meet you, man.
Be safe, man.
All right, you too. It's nice meeting you, Wyatt.
Nice meeting you, Colin.
Thank you. Adios. Dude, this place is like creepy, but like cool at the same time. What the heck? That's like a really weird lit light. Let's just say, hey, yeah, I like this game. Wahoo! Doesn't really mean that I'm into you. Getting the little flicks for Instagram. Make me feel better. It's not a walk in the park to love each other. After all this time, I'm still into you. I should be over all the butterflies. I'm into you. Oh my God, this is so fun! I need a white girl song. Oh, what a shame that you came here with someone. We got the approval from Publix, man. Oh, Chad, we gotta go back. Music on. So I didn't hear you guys music playing.
What is that called?
It's called a crazy cart.
That's fucking...
Thank you. It's a real head turner.
It's pretty neat.
Thank you, dude.
Mira esto. Mira esto.
Take it easy, man.
You too.
Hey,
Thank you guys. Have a good night.
Vacila esto, güey.
What's up?
Dale para que vea.
You understand?
Sí, ya es.
Oh, yeah, It was nice meeting you, bro. You want to scan this?
Yes.
You want to scan that?
Let's go.
Yeah. And hit that.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Those are grande.
Grande.
Yeah.
¿Hablar español?
Ah, poco.
Yo sé.
Yeah. Sí. Gracias.
Y esto...
Battery?
Ajá, battery.
Battery?
Ajá.
Motor?
Ajá.
Controller. Yeah. Buenas noches.
Vale, buenas noches.
I'm leaving right now.
Where you going?
I'm going home.
You going that way?
No, I just had to go to a spot where there's no curb.
Yeah, you can't ride it because if you hurt somebody with that, I gotta fill out all the paperwork.
I understand. Yeah, you guys are liable.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm.
Cool though, bud.
Thank you, dude. Yeah, I appreciate you being cool. I'm getting out of here right now, though.
Yeah.
I just drove over here to get
Were
down.
you recording all that?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Thank you.
You just can't ride on this sidewalk, but that's
Okay.
it. Yep.
I understand.
You got a YouTube channel?
I do.
For real? What's
You
it
want
called?
it? You got your phone on you?
Yeah.
Okay, let me type it in for you. That is me.
Yo, that's sick, man.
Thank you, dude.
Yeah, I used to watch like crazy car videos, like going. Like,
Oh, you know what they are?
Mhm.
Let's go.
Razor
Dude,
crazy car.
I usually have to do this whole script of like it's a drift cart, blah 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 blah. That's great that you know what it is.
That's awesome, bud. Well, you have a good night.
Thank you, you guys too. I hope I'm not getting you guys in trouble or anything.
Oh, you're
no.
good. You're
Okay.
good, man.
All right. Appreciate you guys. You too. Thank you. YouTube, thank you for watching to the end. I want to do more of these. I don't film like long form YouTube videos enough, but yeah, definitely gonna spontaneously take the card out more, do some fun stuff, and record it and share it all for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe. I'll be back.